Hey, what's up everybody? This is Aaron with your local Spring Green, your professional lawn and tree care company. Filling my truck up today, and I wanted to let everybody know that we're running a special on lime today, and we will be for the rest of the week. Contact your field service provider. They can definitely give you a good deal. What lime does, it's going to help the pH of your soil. It's going to really allow fertilizer to uptake. It's going to really give it that beautiful green color that everybody's looking for and desiring. Wanted to show you guys also, speaking of beautiful, look at this sunrise, this beautiful Tennessee sunrise this morning. So yeah, like I said, we're running that special on lime. You know, just contact your field service provider or call the office at 615-790-3634 or www.springgreen.com. All right, well, hope everybody has a great day. Let's look at that sunrise one more time. Everybody have a good time.